Simon, we're fast approaching the end of MACH 2018. Has it been a good show for you?
Yeah, I think it's probably been the best MACH we've done. For the last four MACHs we've been here, and this has been super successful as far as inquiries go. And we bought some big machines here, and we're very hopeful of selling the big one behind us on Monday morning.
What is the big one, the double column CAFO?
That's right, double column CAFO. It's 2.1 metre in X, and 1.5 metre in Y, and it's got a very, very strong spindle on it. And I think the Y-axis is the good selling point on this machine. On a C-frame machine, you can only go up to about a metre, and as I say, on this machine, it's a 1.5 metre in Y.
So that gives your customers lots of flexibility, really, to hold lots of large components.
Absolutely, yeah. It's a big machine. And having said that, this is the smallest machine in the double column range.
And I've heard you've had a special offer on this machine. What was the special offer?
We have, yeah. This machine, list price for this is about 220,000. We've got a special offer on at 170.
Right, so I think that's going to be snapped up next week. Fingers crossed, Simon. You've also brought the feeler lathe here.
Yeah, we've started working with Feeler about 12 months ago. This is the first exhibition we've been able to launch the products to the world, if you like. And we've been very successful. We had picked some really good inquiries, and moving forward into next week, we'll see where that takes us.
Keep us posted, Simon. Thanks for your time.
We will indeed. Thanks to you. See you again soon.